Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today we're going to be making some easy, creamy lemon pie. So it's just 3 simple ingredients to this lemon pie. You have your lemon jello, 1 package of lemon jello, and you have your evaporated milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and you have your concentrated lemon juice, 1 cup of concentrated lemon juice, or you can use concentrated frozen lemon juice. And you're going to need 2 packs of cream cheese. So we're going to start out with the jello, the pudding. So we're going to put the pudding in the bowl right here. Let's turn this around so you guys can see what I'm doing. I've got my pudding already in my bowl. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is I'm going to add my evaporated milk. So I need to get a can opener to open my milk. Hopefully there's one handy. Okay, I've got my can opener here. Open my milk. Hope this thing cooperate with me. Okay, that's my milk. Just gonna pour it in there, and I'm gonna use my mixer to mix it up to make the pudding portion of the pie. Okay, so I've got my mixer here. I'm gonna stir it up, give it a little stir. Then I'm gonna give it a mix. Oops, my little handle thing came out. Probably wasn't in there very well. I'm gonna stick that in there. Okay, they're in there good now. So we're gonna give this a mix. Mix it on high for about 2 minutes. My granddaughter's talking to me. Hold on, guys. What'd you say?
Can we get a baby doll, like a baby doll, and bring it to their house?
Yes. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Okay, next we're going to add our cream cheese. Let's stand up. We're going to fold in our cream cheese. Remember, that's 2 packets of cream cheese. Okay, we're going to mix that in. Let's make it kind of a mess. I'm going to do it on low. Next we're going to do is we're going to add in our lemon juice. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is pour this into this graham cracker crumb shell. I'm going to pour that mixture in there. And we're going to refrigerate it for 4 hours till it's hardened. So it's full. I'm going to put this top on here. And like I said, we're going to refrigerate it for 4 hours. And we'll come back and see what it looks like when it's done. Alrighty, see you later. Okay, this is the lemon pie, the finished product. Oh, I'm gonna slice it later once it sets. I got to put it back in the refrigerator for a couple more hours. But it looks yummy. It tastes yummy. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. You'll find this recipe on my YouTube channel, Ella Dishes It Out. And also on Instagram and Facebook at Ella Dishes It Out. Thank you. And as always, bon appetit. Have a great day.